Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charging session maps in Google Maps, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer EV charging session maps in Google Maps, begin by launching the Google Maps app on your device. Ensure you are signed in to your Google account. Locate the menu icon, usually represented by three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Select the Your Trips option from the list. This section displays all your past activities and routes. Find the charging session you wish to transfer in the listed trips. Tap on that specific session to view the details. Look for the option that allows you to share or export this session. Choose the Share feature available in the Details view. This will prompt you with various apps and platforms to share the session. Select Google Maps from the sharing options provided. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose how you wish to view the route. Confirm your selection by tapping on View in Maps. The session is now loaded in the Google Maps application. You can further edit or save this route if needed. To save it for future reference, tap on the Save icon. This ensures you have quick access to your EV charging session map whenever necessary. Now you can navigate directly to the charging points from your saved routes. This method streamlines your EV charging experience using Google Maps. Follow these steps anytime you need to transfer your charging session maps. Enjoy seamless navigation during your electric vehicle journeys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.